Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about a very common repair we start getting during summer times, which is the AC. Most of the repairs, a lot of them require a certain amount of skill level, but some repairs are very simple. Uh, like this one came in, one of the most first thing I always recommend to check is the Freon level. Checked it out, had no Freon in there. The most common spots where Freon leaks out is from, let me show you, are the service ports. I put some Freon in there. The AC compressor was working. That means the problem was the leak in the system. So first thing, I like to open up the ports, check and make sure there's no bubbling going on over there. It could be something as simple as a valve stem leaking, which is very simple to replace. If they're clean, I usually like to trace down the components. Looks pretty dry over here. This is the condenser area, the line that goes to the condenser. Just follow the lines. This goes to the expansion valve. So there's the evaporator and the expansion valve inside. They are known to leak too, very, very rarely, but they do leak. These lines right here, and then goes to the compressor right over there. The compressor looks pretty dry. And that's one of the hoses. Looks pretty dry. And the other one is in the back. Hard to get the flashlight in there, but right there. Both the hoses are pretty dry. Now I'm going to check the condenser in the front and check it under, see if it's got any leaks. So fix the line, the O-ring was bad, so fix the O-ring for the line to the condenser and put some Freon in there. And the gauges are right where they're supposed to be. So the simple fix, not every time, but sometimes you do get lucky. A lot of times it's a little more complicated, sometimes it's simple. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.